Okay, I started doing my dust collection unit, and just look at it. You can definitely see why I need it. Just like an absolute mess, and this is just a couple of days worth. That old dust collector right there, I took it off. I'm gonna hang it up there. The pipes are gonna go either up above that floor, or I'll figure it out. And then I'll come around here and feed all these machines. That's the pipe you want to use right there. It's just drainage pipe, so it's cheap. And the fittings are like, it's dirt cheap to use that, so I figured that's a good way to go. Got a bunch of 45s because you don't want to get 90s. You want to make gradual turns. You can't make sharp turns. You'll get buildup of clogs. Well, this is the top of the baffle I'm designing right now. It's a lot of measuring and figuring out, but I'm getting it. I'll be back after I'm done cutting. You'll see 2 pieces. Alright, later. Well, there it is. My dust collector design. I should say dust separator. The vacuum actually starts in here, and it sucks in through there, and it pulls the chips in this way. And then the chips right along that wall, they drop down into that hole. Before they can get here, they'll all be down. And the vacuum back up is right in the dead center. So when you got a cyclone going around like that, there's really not much in the center to suck up. So I can just exhaust that right out the side of the shed. And I won't need no bag. I'll never have to have a bag in here. It'll just be just that can empty. And I won't have all of this. Just look at it all. Dust. So this was needed really bad. But that's how you want to do it. That's a 2-stage duster, and that's the Delta duster I got. I bought it online. And it just had the bag on the top and the bag on the bottom. Which ain't, it's really not that good. The dust comes out of those anyway. And that's not good for the impeller because the dust is always in there mixing with it. With this, the dust is completely taken out before it even reaches that motor. And that's going to be hung up on the wall. Try to get it out of the way, and this one's just going to have to, fall into that footprint I didn't want to give up, but can't be breathing dust, so it's got to be here. Okay, just wanted to show you. Pretty cool. It's all in and ready to go. I just have to still put the exhaust, those 2 wooden gaskets I had to make, and then the exhaust comes out of the bottom, and then out the wall to the outside. And that actually sucks up from the garbage can separator, I believe. And that goes up through the ceiling and then up over there and then runs that way. I got one here for my table saw. That one for that machine. I have another one over here. That's that one right there. That's for my table saw. And then I have another one. See how I kind of got them. You don't really want 90-degree angles. You want to try to stick with, as round as you can. And that's going to feed these machines. I won't have any dust anymore. I'm going to hook a vacuum up to that too. So I can vacuum up the shop. Okay, just wanted to put that in there. Later.